Sharma. So basically in the previous video we have learned simple future tense. So in this video we learn future continuous tense. So let's start the video. So basically what is the future continuous tense? It is used to indicate that will be going on future, indicate that action that will be going on future. Like I will be eating the food. Okay, this is the example for future continuous tense for your definition. And one more example, he will be visiting you soon. Means he is the subject. I tell you in the forms. Will because future continuous tense is there. Be because continuous tense is there. This is the form. Ing because continuous tense is there. You soon, this is the object. I tell you in forms. Okay. So what is the forms of future continuous tense? There are three forms of future continuous tense: positive, negative, and interrogative. So first form is positive. So what is the structure for positive? Subject, will, shall plus be plus ing. Be because future continuous tense is there, and ing as always. Example: I will be meeting at room. See, I is the subject. Will because future tense is there. Be because continuous tense is there. Meet is the form, and ing because continuous tense is there. At room, this is the object. Two more examples are there. See is the subject. Will because future tense is there. Be because FC means future continuous tense. Eat is the form, and ing because continuous tense is there. The food is the object. Third more example. They is the subject. Will is the future tense is there, so will F. Okay. See because continuous tense is there. Okay. Go is the form, and ing because this is continuous tense is there. To room, this is the object. So negative form of future continuous tense is there. Subject, will, shall plus not plus be plus ing. See, we have to put not in this. Okay, I tell you many of times that in negative form you have to put not. So we have three examples. First, she will be not going to market. Means she is the subject. Okay. Will, shall means future tense is there. Be because continuous tense is there. Not because negative is there, and go is the form, and ing because continuous tense is there. To market, this is the object. Two more examples are there. She is the subject. Will because future tense is there. Not because negative is there. Be because continuous tense is there. It is the form, ing because continuous tense is there. The food is object. Okay. Third one example, last example. They is the subject. Will because future tense is there. Not because negative is there. Be because continuous is there. Go is the form, ing because continuous tense is there. At room, this is the object. So last structure for interrogative in the future continuous tense. So what is interrogative structure for future continuous tense? Will, shall plus subject plus be plus ing plus question mark. Question mark you have to put because question mark is the main. Okay, for example, we have three examples. Will she be going to market? Will is the future tense. She is the subject. I write here future tense, and this is the subject. Be because continuous tense is there. Go is the form, and ing because continuous tense is there. To market, this is object, and question mark we have to put because interrogative is there. Two more examples are there. Will, shall be eating. Will is the future tense. She because this is the subject. Be because continuous tense is there. Eat is the form, and ing because continuous tense is there. The mango properly, this is the object. Question mark we have to put. Last example, will they be going? See, will because future continuous tense is there. They is the subject. Be because continuous tense is there. Go is the form, and ing because continuous tense is there. I tell you many of times. At the room, this is the object. Alright, question mark you have to put. So thank you, good afternoon, bye. So in the next video we learn future perfect continuous tense. Bye.